In Excel, a workbook is a file, and interchangeably, a file is a workbook. We can see the name of the file or the workbook at the top of the screen. If it is a new file, the name will be book 1. We can open up to see this in action. We can go to File and New and click this blank workbook. So here it is. Every workbook is comprised of at least one worksheet. We can add sheets here. This is a plus sign, and we can delete sheets. We can rename the sheets, and we can move it to any position we want. We can change the color of the tab like this. We can get all the options by right clicking on the name of the sheet. All worksheets or simply sheets is comprised of columns and rows. Columns are vertical and identified by letters. Rows are horizontal and they are identified by numbers. There are about 16,000 columns and 1 million rows down. Every cell in Excel on an Excel worksheet has an address. Right now I'm in A row 3. The address is listed here. So to recap, a workbook is a file and a file is a workbook. We have a working sheet, each more than 1 million rows and more than 16,000 columns.